Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm dressed up to try to look under the Lexus ES250. I have been changing a lot of things on this car, or some things. One thing is still not working is the flusher for the water for windows wiper or windows cleaner system. The engine or the pump just blow the water up. It's not working, so I have to try to find out why. I have been checking the fuses, they are okay. I've been checking that there's water on the system, that is okay, and have been buying a new pump. So I just have to find out where that one is sitting. But my big problem here is the garage. See here now, try to move things around to get the car in the back end of the garage. It's really a problem. But I have to try to look under. I have to try to find out where that is sitting. So I just connect the power and we can see what's going to happen now. I was checking on things, the fuses on this car is the same fuse that's going to the windows wipers as the engine that's blowing the water, the pump. So that fuse is okay. Now I just have to find out where that pump is sitting and try to check more from there. Because now I'm trying to pump here is nothing happen. This is going down here straight through the bulkhead under, and then it have to come in here, behind here, and into the front somewhere. So most likely that pump is lying in the front here somewhere. So you have to try to see that. Here I think it's the ABS controller. The pump most likely is lying in the bottom under there. There. A lot of spare parts. Here one more windows regulator, because I have changed on the driver's side. I have timing belt, water pumps, cable sets, brake, product of different thing, brake, disc pipes, what is it? All of it. Somewhere here is supposed to be disc brake pads, timing belt kit, top gaskets for the engine. Yeah, wiring and all kinds of that. Here we have a fuel pump. I have a pump here. It's supposed to be right for the car. And I was ordering the other parts. Washer pump. So I just have to find out where it is. So now we have to try to look under the car, but of course here's too much things. Here it have to be inside here somewhere. And here it was 10 millimeters. Yeah, this seems to be a tank. It's dirty. The washer fluid tank is up here. And the pump have to be on the side here. Start wondering, should you take out the whole tank to get that one out? But then you need to take off the whole front. This is not good. I don't want to take off the whole front of the car to get out this. One screw in the front. Fish. One screw up here and a lot of shit in my face. I feel the wires going up here are not long either, so it seems like serious to get in there. Should have taken off the whole front. That doesn't make me especially happy. The lights are hanging on their own system. Or not? Yeah, I need to find out more about this, because if someone of you guys have been doing this on the Camry or on this Lexus, it will be nice to know if I need to take off the whole front of the car more or less to get this done. It's kind of stupid. I don't understand Toyota would have done it like this. Even if this is a Lexus, it's a Toyota. So I just have to put on the screw now and try to find out more, because I can't, as long as the winter storms are coming as they're doing now, I can't use my time. I can't use my time up here working on this. I have other cars that need to be done something with. That's more that need to be done before the summer, and all this blowing and snowing and all kinds of shit, so I just have to wait. Yeah, I'm sitting under the car still. sometimes you just have to see that let me say the space I have left in front of the car here, in the garage now. And there have been winter storms and blowing and snowing and been kind of hopeless the last weeks, and it's going to be like this for at least 1 week more. Then I just have to see that I can't do a job taking on the whole front of the car in this little space I have. So I just have to wait till the summer. If people don't have any other good advice of how I can take out that tank easier. The problem is looks like the wires going up the side also is very short. Well, I feel they are short. Yeah, at least I have been trying something today. But for the moment I just have to admit the defeat for the day for this space. So the problem is still the garage. It's the garage and lifting equipment and things, space and light. Lighting have been very good in the garage now. But I just have to admit that this garage is useless for doing this job now. So I just have to set it down maybe and drive it out when it starts blowing. It's supposed to be storm for some days again. So after the weekend maybe I can get it out and maybe I can drive in some of the other cars. I should have done some more things on the Land Cruiser. I got some questions from the 8-seater Land Cruiser and also some things I would check up on the other Land Cruiser. So I just have to clean out, make space in the garage. I can do something there. Or maybe I can do something out if the weather is a little better on this Sunday. Yeah. Please come back, please subscribe to the channel, and please help me, give me advice for you guys that maybe have been working on cars like this. Thank you.